First, we thought the PC was a calculator. Then we found out how to turn numbers into letters, and we thought it was a typewriter. Host. Enthusiastic. Welcome back, dear viewers. Today we're embarking on an electrifying journey through history as we shine a spotlight on the brilliant mind behind the electrical age of the 20th century. Prepare to meet the unsung hero, the visionary engineer, the tireless inventor, Nikola Tesla. Cut to visuals. Montage of vintage electrical equipment, lightning bolts, and Tesla's portraits. Clips showcasing iconic inventions and modern applications of Tesla's work, AC power, wireless transmission, radio, etc. Segment 1, Tesla's early life. Host, narrating. Born in 1856 in Smiljan, Croatia, young Nikola showed an insatiable curiosity for the world around him. He studied engineering in Europe and eventually journeyed to the United States in 1884, carrying with him a head full of groundbreaking ideas. Cut to visuals. Reenactments of young Nikola T.